Yes, hello once again. I'm by the name's Samuel. So in the last tutorial, what we covered is we combined the tutorials whereby we covered 9 and 10 into one, where we covered the teacher accessing the web portal and then was logging in, and then after the login using the default password that an admin gave him, then later the teacher had to change the password to their own password they set. So they can set the password and change it from the default the admin gave them. So that's what we covered in the last tutorials 9 and 10. So right now what we are going to cover or start on is the tutorial 11. So what we are now going to cover is how teachers can add topic scores to the student. Yes, so the topic scores to the student, we are going to go straight to the web portal and then see how this is going to be done. So I go to the web portal and I sign in as a teacher. I'll put my phone number and then the password. I'm signing in as the teacher we created in our previous tutorials. That was here at Chwanka. So I sign in. So as you notice, I've signed in and this is my profile here at Chwanka profile. So remember, this teacher was assigned a subject and that was physical education. So I can only assign marks to physical education, not to any other subject and not to any other class. I was assigned one class, that was S2A. So I can only assign marks to physical education for the students and only one class, that is S2A. So to assign marks, I'll go to new curriculum. Then I go to a submodule called topic marks. So when I go to topic marks, I'm going to select a class, that is S2. I'll select a section, a class that I'll assign to. Then subject group S2 subjects, physical education. Then I will also select a topic that is basic skills in soccer. So when I search, the students will pre-populate, then I'll have to score them. So I'll score here Richito, the student we created during this tutorial series. I'll give him 2.5. Then I also score John Chibilige. I'll score 2 students for now. And then yes, that is it. So as you can see, my teacher initials, I cannot change them. When I log into the system, they are going to be captured, and so they are captured with my scores. Yes, so I can save, and that will be the end of it. So I save. So that is how the topic scores are added to a specific student. So in the next tutorial, what we are going to cover is how teachers are going to add subject remarks and generic skills. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and bye.